In 2021, Auckland has been in lockdown for 3 months. That was hard and stressful for everyone. I hope 2022 brings us health, wealth and happiness. We made a holiday plan early this year before the lockdown. We were not sure if we'd make it because of the Delta outbreak. We finally made it. Our road trip has started. We departed Auckland on Christmas Eve, non-stop driving to Wellington to catch the Inter-Islander ferry, crossing the Cook Strait and arriving in Picton at midnight. That was unbelievable. Our plan is to explore the upper part of the South Island, including a sailing holiday in Queen Charlotte Sound as well. We will be traveling around Marlborough region, Westport, Greymouth, Lewis Pass to Hanmer Springs, Kaikoura, Blenheim and Picton to catch the Inter-Islander ferry again. We didn't forget Farewell Spit, that was worth visiting, after windy mountain roads. That was amazing. I've already made a video about Picton and the teaser for our 2022 holiday adventure. See what is next in today's video. Enjoy! I don't know what it is, but there is a siren. Must be some warning or maybe a mistake. Here is Alpine Hotel or Lodge we are staying. We will stay for 2 nights. We already stayed last overnight, so we'll have another night. We'll explore this area. There are beautiful lakes, so this area called Nelson Lakes Regional Park. Here is the reception, and then after that I'll have a coffee in the cafe. Reception here. The cafe must be I think my wife, she's outside. After a week of sailing holiday, we booked for 2 nights at the Alpine Lodge in St. Arnaud. St. Arnaud is a small alpine village and the gateway to all lakes and activities. The famous jetty of Lake Rotoiti is only 5 minutes, Lake Rotorua 40 minutes away. Now we arrive in Nelson Lakes. I think it's called Lake Rotorua. There are similar names like Rotorua in North Island, but this is different and this one is most famous. There is a famous jetty here, so it's one of the best Instagram photos taken over there, so there is a lineup to take picture, so I think I need to go there. Nelson Lakes Regional Park is at the northern end of the Southern Alps. It is 1-2 hours driving away from Nelson and Blenheim. There are 16 picturesque lakes in Nelson Lakes region. The most famous one is Blue Lake, but it is not accessible by car or on a day walk. The lake is located deep in the backcountry and it takes a minimum of 2 days backcountry tramping to visit it. We skipped this time, maybe another time.
If they'll try and they can't see very well, they feel them, so they want to eat them.
People?
You're very brave. I know. Under the tree, nice and quiet. We're here with all the noise.
I'm happy with my gift. I know that when it gets when they bite you, they spin around?
Yeah. Man. Yeah, because I want to like rip it out.
Atlayacaktı. Oh, it's cold. Ooh, it's freezing. It's freezing. I think I can't do it. I'm just dipping slowly. Good. Maybe next time I'll dive, but maybe next time I'll dive. Next one. But now I'll just nice and slowly. Oh, it's okay. Ah, yes.
Давай, стикай. Стикай, давай.
Excuse me. I think it's my turn.
You want to come in?
Koşman lazım. Tam ortadan. Tam ortadan. Tam ortadan. Hadi. Hadi. Yani lütfen. Hadi evet. Ortadan tam. Yukarı kalk. Yukarı doğru hopla. Hadi. Okey. Bir kere daha. Bir dakika Ece. Yukarı jump yap. Biraz. Evet yukarı yap Ege. Hazırım. Hazırım. Hadi. Hadi. Ortadan. Oldu mu? Tamam. Hazırız. Hazırız. Zıplayarak.
Make sure you hold it hard, eh? Yes, I don't have to. You're gonna run it. Yeah.
Hayır. Yakın olursa
Böyle bak. Yok hayır. Dur böyle. Yakın olursa
şey
harika çıkıyor.
Deniz ayağın yere değmedi değil mi?
Ha?
It's stunning, breathtaking, picturesque, panoramic views. I can't find the right word to describe this beautiful lake and the mountains.
Burası çok popüler bir yer.
Burası nice and calm. Ama daha o kadar derin değil öteki taraf kadar.
Yani ayaklarımı değdirebilir miyim?
Bir dene istersen, yani dive yaparsan çarpabilirsin aşağıya.
Kafanı kapatacağım.
We took a lot of pictures on the world famous jetty of Lake Rotoiti. It is very popular for tourists and very busy. On the other hand, Lake Rotorua is less visited and serene. This is our hotel room. I'll show you how we messed it up after a long road trip and sailing. We are very disorganized and everything are very messy. So everything is scattered around. I think there are 3 more single beds upstairs. There are 3 more single beds for big families.